Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You have the speaker plugged in and the Google Home app open. Now begin pairing. First, make sure your phone is on the same Wi-Fi you plan to use and Bluetooth is enabled, because the app uses both for setup. Once the device announces it's ready, tap Add in Google Home, choose Setup Device, and follow on-screen prompts to detect the speaker. This step links your account and gives the speaker a name so you can control it by voice and group it with other speakers. Once detected, you'll connect the speaker to Wi-Fi and choose a name that makes sense, like kitchen or living room, because voice commands use that name. Then configure voice match so the speaker recognizes you and links your calendar and messages. Make sure to add your preferred music services and set a default provider to avoid saying service names. After setup, play a test track and adjust volume. This confirms connectivity and lets you calibrate where the speaker sits in the room acoustically. Finalize by creating groups or routines that automate tasks like morning briefings or multi-room music. Routines save repeated actions and improve convenience. Make sure firmware updates are applied from the device settings so bugs are fixed and features remain current. If the speaker stops responding, restart it first. If that doesn't work, verify your phone and router are on the same Wi-Fi and reboot the router. As a last resort, perform a factory reset. Only then reset up to recover a clean.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.